All right, guys, we got the world's smallest, in my opinion, digital camera. My girls love taking photos. This is a HD digital camera equipped with a light, ching, to make that happen. And it, as you can see, look how small it is. Smaller than my iPhone. So we're going to be able to make this happen. Let's go ahead and open it up. Absolutely.
So small.
It is extremely small. So it does come with a nice little leather cord here that you're able to wrap it up. Let's go ahead and get into this. So we can put a little lanyard and you can wear that.
This is so small. Look, it's this small.
Whoa! Check that out. It's like a keychain photo. Let me go ahead and get it turned on here for the people so we can see what we're working with. Okay. All right. So taking a look here, we're going to get it turned on.
Can you get this?
All right. Holding that down. So you got M, which turns it on. And you have your shutter button. And then you can go down and up. Let's go and take a photo. Smile, girls. Oh, that is cool. Let's go ahead and see what the photo looks like. Let's see if we can see that. So hit up and down, which is going to give your different pieces. And you can see the photo right there. Now, we weren't sure we were getting everybody in it, but let me take a photo of my ladies here so we can see what we're working with. There it is. And boom, just like that. As you guys can see, you press the little M button up top, it resets it, and then there you have it, which is going to be a little photo like that. Now, you have the option to have a little hand lanyard on it, or a little neck lanyard, which clips to the side, which is super cool.
I think let's do this one. This.
All right. Well, we can do both of them because that's what's pretty cool about it. You just clip this to the side.
Super small connector.
Very, very small. You have a little USB micro stick that will hold on to the USB on the bottom.
Yes, we got this.
And then your small micro SD card down there. So you're able to hook this up. They gave you everything. And look at this. Look how small that camera is. That is absolutely micro.
Look how small this cord is.
That's cool. Guys, what do we say? We loving this camera?
Check it out.
Check it out.